now on Night Out. I promised you all the stars, and it doesn't get bigger than this. Hrithik Roshan joins us on Night Out, and I know he's done many a Night Outs before, but this is special because it's in Delhi, right?
Yeah, it's the first one in Delhi, I think. It's nice. It's lovely to be out here with all these fashionable and stylish people.
You know, you're looking fashionable yourself, so you're one of them.
I can't say that for myself, but thank you.
You're looking very, very good on the cover. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to show our viewers the cover yet. But if you were to say one thing about you and Katrina, what would you say?
I think we make a good match. It's a good cover. I like it.
Yeah? Anything you'd want to change about it? I know it's got that whole kites look to it. It's got that rough look to it.
You don't know the look of kites then, because that's really not the look of kites. But it works. It works. I like it.
And what about being with Katrina? You know, it's different when you're doing a film and it's different when you're doing a still cover. So it requires a lot of understanding, or no? I wouldn't know because I've never done a cover.
It was a really enjoyable shoot because we were really spontaneous, and I just went with my instincts and I said, hey, let's just try this, because it's not like common. It's out of the box completely. So if you see the inside pictures, they're really, they really don't make sense at first, but then you realize, they're doing something interesting. So I just kept saying, okay, let's just do this and let's just do that. And she was really comfortable with it, and she was, just went with our instincts, and it was a really spontaneous shoot, so I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed working with her. She was really nice.
Do you end up sort of helping the stylist on shoots like that, saying, I think this is what goes with my look, or I'd like to try something else?
No, I just know when it's not working. But apart from that, I leave it all to them, because I really don't have a clue about style and stuff.
You've got a fabulous film coming up, Kites. I know it's slightly early yet, but if there's something that you'd like to tell people of why they should go out and watch it, other than of course the thriller that it promises to be.
Well, the release date is on the 21st of May, and do go and watch it, because I think it's one of my very special films. I think it's my best work, if I say so myself.
I'm sure there'll be more to come, but at the moment, I presume you'd want to say it's your best.
I really enjoyed the film. It's completely out of the box. It's not something that I hope India will accept a film like this, because it's just completely different to whatever I've done in my past and whatever I have seen that has been made so far. It's completely different. So let's.
One thing that worries you about the film?
It's a good film. It's honest, and every film has its own destiny. So I just hope the people who will like it will enjoy it.
One last question. Of course, we're in Delhi, so we've got to ask you, what's the best thing that you love about Delhi, or about a great night out?
Well, the people and the weather. I really like the weather, because I usually come here when it's like not in the heat, and it's a nice change from Bombay.
We hope that you enjoy this fabulous night out that you're having at LAP. Thank you so much for joining us on Night Out.
Welcome.
Thank you.